At nearly 11,600 feet above sea level, where avalanches are common, snowfall can reach several feet and temperatures routinely plunge below freezing. A mountain pass has dictated life in Ladakh for decades. Every winter, the Zojila Pass shuts down. Roads disappear under snow, vehicles stop moving, supplies become harder to transport, and Ladakh's connection with the rest of India becomes uncertain. But that could soon change. On June 9, the Zojila Tunnel project is set to achieve its final breakthrough, a milestone that brings India closer to establishing all-weather road connectivity between Kashmir and Ladakh. At first glance, it may seem like just another infrastructure project, but the story of the Zojila Tunnel is much bigger than a road passing through a mountain. On June 9, the Zojila Tunnel project is set to achieve its final breakthrough, a milestone that brings India closer to establishing all-weather road connectivity between Kashmir and Ladakh. So what exactly is the Zojila Tunnel? Why is it so important, and how will it transform connectivity between Kashmir and Ladakh? Here's a closer look. What is the Zojila Tunnel? The Zojila Tunnel is a 13.153 kilometer road tunnel being constructed beneath the Zojila Pass in the Himalayas. Located at an altitude of nearly 11,578 feet above sea level, the tunnel will connect Balkal near Sonamarg in Jammu and Kashmir with Meenamarg in the Drass Kargil region of Ladakh. Once completed, vehicles will be able to travel through the mountain instead of crossing the snow-prone Zojila Pass. Why is the tunnel needed? The Zojila Pass is one of India's most challenging mountain routes. Every year, heavy snowfall, avalanches, and extreme weather conditions force authorities to shut the pass for several months. This seasonal closure affects movement of people, supply of essential goods, tourism activities, emergency services, and transportation to remote areas. The tunnel aims to eliminate these disruptions by providing all-weather road connectivity. What is happening on June 9? The project is set to achieve its final breakthrough. In tunnel construction, a breakthrough occurs when excavation teams working from opposite ends meet underground, completing the main tunnel passage. It is considered one of the most significant milestones in any tunnel project because it confirms that the entire underground route has been successfully excavated. Following the breakthrough, work will continue on road surfacing, ventilation systems, lighting, safety installations, and other finishing components before the tunnel becomes operational. Why is this project considered an engineering marvel? Building a tunnel beneath the Himalayas is far from easy. Engineers have faced several challenges, including extreme cold temperatures, heavy snowfall, frequent avalanches, difficult mountain geology, high-altitude working conditions. Despite these obstacles, the project has steadily progressed through one of the toughest construction environments in the world. What are the Nilgrar tunnels? The Zojila Tunnel project also includes the Nilgrar tunnel system. These twin-tube tunnels serve as an important approach corridor between Sonamarg and Baltal and help connect traffic smoothly to the main tunnel. Together, the Nilgrar and Zojila tunnels form a critical transportation network through the mountainous region. How will the tunnel remain functional during winter? One of the project's key objectives is ensuring year-round accessibility. To achieve this, several protective measures have been built into the design, including avalanche protection structures, cut-and-cover sections, safety walls, and snow control systems. These features are intended to protect the corridor from severe winter weather and keep traffic moving even during periods of heavy snowfall. What benefits will the tunnel bring? Improved connectivity. The biggest advantage will be uninterrupted road access between Kashmir and Ladakh throughout the year. Economic growth. Better connectivity is expected to boost tourism, trade, and business opportunities across the region. Faster emergency response. Medical aid, disaster relief, and essential services will be able to reach remote areas more quickly. Reduced travel disruptions. Travelers will no longer have to depend entirely on the weather conditions to access Ladakh. Strategic importance. The tunnel will strengthen transportation and logistics in a region that holds immense strategic significance for India. What does it mean for Ladakh? For residents of Ladakh, the tunnel represents more than just infrastructure. It means better access to essential goods, more reliable transportation, increased tourism opportunities, improved connectivity during winter, greater economic integration with the rest of the country. For years, winter isolation has been a recurring challenge. The tunnel aims to make that a thing of the past. The June 9 breakthrough marks a major step forward for one of India's most ambitious infrastructure projects. Once operational, the Zojila Tunnel will provide all-weather connectivity between Kashmir and Ladakh, reduce the impact of harsh winters, improve mobility and strengthen economic and strategic links. More than just a tunnel, it is a project designed to overcome geography itself and keep one of India's most remote regions connected year-round.